Hi everyone, konnichiwa. I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Today we will make pumpkin tempura. Tempura is one of the traditional Japanese dishes along with sushi, and it is also a magical dish that can be used at home to get children to eat vegetables in no time at all. However, some people may feel intimidated by the idea of deep frying. I understand. I was the same way. So today I will share with you an easy way to do it. And it's a lot of work to prepare and fry a lot of vegetables. So we will start by making tempura with pumpkin. My kids have been cracking over this tempura, so I'll give it a try. And as always, my furry family, Mario and Luigi, will be joining as our helpers. And during this video, I introduce useful cooking techniques and ideas. So please watch in detail until the end. Are you ready, everyone? Okay, let's get started. Here are the ingredients. Okay, pumpkin tempura is ready, so let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. So big. With the tempura dipping sauce. Please check my tempura sauce recipe. Can you hear the crispy sound? It's moderately thick and satisfying to eat. And it's crispy and it's not greasy. I like pumpkin. And the butter has a gentle egg flavor, and it goes well with sauce. ごちそうさまでした. So here's the tips and recommendations of today's menu. Tip: temperature control is the key to make crispy tempura. It is the best to chill the water and the flour well, and shift the flour. Tip: deep fry 2 or 3 pieces at once to keep the temperature of the oil. And after frying, drain the oil immediately so that the remaining heat can be removed. So those are the tips and recommendations of today's menu. How was pumpkin tempura recipe today? If you'd like to see videos for more tempura recipes, please leave a message from the comment box down below. And if you see my video for the first time, thank you for coming. I introduce easy, yummy, and delicious Japanese recipes, including baby meal, toddler food, and desserts. So please don't forget to subscribe. And dear my subscribers, thank you for always checking and subscribing and like my videos. Your like button motivates me to create new informative videos. So don't forget to hit the like button. As always, thank you for watching everyone. We will see you next time. Bye bye!